Hello beautiful people, I hope this video find you well. So in this video I'm gonna share with you how to subscribe with IPTV subscription. So yesterday my IPTV has been expired and I said wait, since many of you asking me what is the best provider, and I said I'm gonna make a video to show you exactly how I'm gonna do that with a simple way. That's why I get my card to show you exactly how I'm gonna make a payment in life. So after watching this video you don't still need to search or log in around. So please watch this video until the end and don't skip any part in this video, because if you skip you may miss crucial details like how you're gonna make a payment or how to choose the best plan. By the way, for the people who don't know what is IPTV means, it simply stands for Internet Protocol Television. In easy words, it's just TV that works through internet instead of using a normal satellite or cable. What is makes IPTV the best option is that you can control everything whenever you want, series, movies, live, all instantly. I'll head over to the platform. So this is how it's looking great. So there's 3 plans. So there's starter, premium and VIP, but I'm gonna choose only premium because the premium plan, it comes with a lot of features. For example, you can use it in multiple devices like phone, computer and TV in the same time. But I recommend to use premium. That's more enough for you. Okay, so here so when we have checkout, I was logging here, I'm gonna type my name like that with Yups, and here with my email address Squid. Okay, so this one. So in email, put your real email because everything will be sent to your email. So okay, here, so when we have crypto and card, but okay, what is that? Okay, confirm me has okay, so I'm gonna select card, then I will click for continue like that. Okay, so here, I have my MasterCard. I'm gonna select this one. Okay, so this is my card. I'm gonna enter my credential. Okay, so when we have 331 96 91 83 05 32 99, and here we have a month. I'm gonna choose this here, and here I'm gonna select 17, and here my name Squid, and here my email address Squid. Then I'm gonna click for pay. Okay, so this is thank you for your purchase. Okay, you'll get a subscription. Okay, that will be sent with 1 or 2 minutes. So we get a waiting. Okay, so I'm gonna waiting until my subscription has been sent to my email. So as you can see, this is how you can make IPTV subscription with a simple way. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you like this video, like and subscribe to get more useful videos like that. Thank you and see you later.